Ang bilis mo naman. Ang bilis.
Ta-da!
Oh no. It's ate. Alright, come Indy. Come to Mama. Come to Mama and ate. Come on.
Do you want to... Oh, she does it.
Aw. Do you want to go to school? Do you want to change clothes too and go to school? Yeah? High
She
five.
covered up.
High five.
Ah.
High five. High five. High five. Good, good. High five.
Huh?
High five, ate. High five, ate. Well done, Indy. Good job, Abel. Say good morning. Happy
When I
Friday.
do that, she copies me.
Okay, come on, sit down. I'll do your hair.
Copy.
Huh? Love you, hello. Ah, thank you, boy.
Mama, I made moving the tea here.
Yeah.
Like, you
Do you want your hair done too, beautiful? Got a full-on day today again, guys.
Is Alec going to sports today?
Yeah, he is.
He has. What you had?
And then...
Did Alec go to sports yesterday?
No, he only goes once a week.
Once a week.
Mm-hmm.
What about me? When do I just go once a week
You
too?
go 3 times a week to school. Tara, Indy.
Because I'm older.
Yeah, because you're older.
What time is Jen coming home?
9:30.
What time is sports start?
10:30.
If you want leave Indy home when you're at sport all the time.
No, but I'm going to that thing.
Because yesterday, Daddy bring Darla to school and it was really fun. We played on the playground before we go.
Tonight, Josie's on a vacation.
I feel my pants.
You put your pants.
I put it down. You put it down.
Josie's on a vacation far away. Kape. Na-ready ko na yung lunch ni Arlo. Ready na din yung bag. Yung tubig niya. Okay na. Bihisan ko na lang yan siya. 9:30 kasi yung dating ni Kuya. Maaga. Maaga yung schedule ni Kuya. Pero 10:30 pa yung sports ni Arlo ba? So baka maaga naman kami umalis. Oh. Study. Feeling ko kulang yung suot ko do. Magiging sunny ba? I have nothing underneath. Hello! Hello, beautiful! Yan na naman siya. Lingon-lingon na naman. Did you finish your food? Yes? Did you? Kabuyag ni Menday eh. Anong oras na? 8:33? Nandun yung phone sa baba. Pargapangin niya. I'm just getting ready, guys. Ang aga pa ba? Hindi ko kasi alam kung hanggang kailan yung mood ng ating Inday. Whew. Naglagay ako ng extra layer. Ano lang naman, sleeveless. Kasi yung mga t-shirt ko, mataas yung neckline. So, nakikita siya dito sa ating pa. Yan siya. Hahabol-habulin niya yan. Ay, hindi pala. Ano pang hinahabol mo? Alright, here, oh. Go there. There. And this one. Yung mga iba itsura. This one. You want this one? Look. Woo! Go! Moy ampay. Moy ampay. Unsa man na? Moy ampay, ana? Moy ampay na kong bibi. What do you want? Sige na, B. Tikal. Tikal. Sige na. Where is Indy? Where is Indy? Pick up, poopers. Pick up. Gatanghal na siya. Oh, wa. Kalat ka na naman, be. Ay, naka. Nag-aano ako eh. Nagki-clean up ako eh. Kasi nga si kuya darating. Wala na, ang kalat na naman. Ah, you want me to tickle you like that? You ticklish? You ticklish like that? Oh, where's the hair tie? Oh no, it's here! Open, shut them. Oh, whoa, so cool. There you go. You can have that. What else? Tawan ako ni mo ha. Lagot ko ni mo da. Which one do you want? Hurry up, Indy. Alright, here. Oh. Whoa, very cool. Nah, you don't want that? Which one do you want? You want the mirror? Yeah, you look good. You look good. Look at the mirror. Oh, go play with the mirror. Go. You want mommy's water? You can have water. You can have water. Ah, ang bilis naman. What do you want? Which one do you want? Do you want this one? This one. This one. Ah, you want this one. Makes noises. Oh. Oh, very cool. Very cool. Na. Okay, ang bilis. What do you want? Which one do you want? You want mommy and daddy? Alright, this one. You want the guys? You want the guys? Of course you want the guys. Okay, go. Do you want to see Indy? Look at, is that Indy? Is that Indy? This one. Indy! Pretty girl! Is that you? Who's this? Who's that? Is it Ate? Ate! Who's that? Kuya! Is that Kuya? Where's Indy? So sweet. Biskot ba tayo? Where's Indy? Where's Indy? Is that Indy? Hi! Hi! High five to the guys. High five, guys. High five. Good job. Sorry.
You touched brown.
I know. Good colors, Alo. Daddy parked really close to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
Good job.
Alo ready?
Yes. Is he ready? Yes.
Mommy ready?
Yes.
Everyone ready? Is she sleeping, Alo, or still awake?
Does he wait?
She's awake? Okay. And hopefully, we hope, every week we hope na matutulog siya habang sports si Arlo. But, nah. And Dan actually offered, sabi niya, meron lang ako mga paperwork sa bahay, gusto mo iwan si Indy sa akin? Iniisip ko, are you sure? Hindi ka makakatrabaho pag nandyan si Indy, tapos hindi nga siya makakatulog kasi si kuya naglilinis. Sabi ko, appreciate ko yung offer, pero hindi mo alam kung ano yung sinasabi mo. Hindi yan makakatulog, hindi ka din makaka-work kung iiwan ko yan sa'yo. Kasi, syempre, pamuntayin niya yung bata. Kasi kahit na mapatulog ko siya before ako umalis, which I can do, but then magigising din siya kasi nga si kuya, naglilinis man ng bahay. But last Friday kasi na ramdaman ni Dan na ang hirap pala talaga para sa'yo. Karga-karga mo the whole time si Indy, tapos sali ka pa sa sports kasi kailangan ko sumali, like pasa-pasa ako ng bola kay Arlo, like you have to be involved or else walang ibang makikipaglaro sa anak mo. Tapos nagreklamo nga siya last Friday, diba? Sabi niya ang bigat ni Indy. Sabi niya ngayon, iwan mo sa akin. Sabi ko, hindi, okay lang yan. Sanay na naman ako. Char. Sanay na naman akong nahihirapan. And then after sports, we are driving somewhere. Does that sound fun? Meron akong gustong puntahan na warehouse sale. Diba? Yellow Caspada.
That's fake yellow.
Is it fake yellow?
Yeah.
Pag hindi siya yung nauna, fake yellow yan. Kasi ayaw niyang may manalong iba. Pwede mo.
You did at your hands.
Sorry?
You said yellow at your hands.
Do this, like point?
Yeah.
Okay. Didn't I do that? I think I did it. I said yellow caspada with my finger. I pointed.
No, you.
I didn't?
You not.
Okay, I didn't then. That's fine.
You not.
I did not win that one. No one got a point. That's okay. Can you put her dummy? Oh, she's got it.
Die.
Indie sleep bubbers.
McDonald's.
Oh, look ahead, look ahead.
Food.
No, that.
You just put up
You won. You're so good at that game.
in a figure.
It's not fake yellow. It's not fake yellow. Kasi siya yung nakauna.
We're not cheese down.
Who got that point? Who got a point?
Me.
You did. Ay,
And not
boy.
you.
Not me. I know you always win.
That's faking. I almost win.
The one I got was fake yellow, no?
Yes.
Ang daming car park, but gusto ko
Yeah,
yung-
just put up.
Where? That's not yellow. Wait, that's
Yes,
kind of
it
golden.
is.
Okay. Mommy's got a good car park again. Lucky mommy. Dito na kami and it's 10:09, so ang aga. Kain muna siya. Oh, tawa-tawa ka dyan, be. Sus, hindi. Ayaw talaga matulog. Pagod na siya, pero wala. Nilalabanan talaga ang antok. Good luck talaga sa atin mamaya. Yeah. Keep eating. You have time. Yeah. Put your dummy in, okay? Thank you, boy.
Did it.
You did it! Thanks, guys.
Mommy. Mommy,
Yes?
how about cheating?
Yeah. How many T-Rex do you need?
I want
Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, wow. Can you see the bus behind us, Alo? It's the giant one. Alright, guys. I'm excited. We are going to a warehouse sale. This is actually my first time. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is my first time going to a warehouse sale. They have mainly home stuff. Parang gusto ko mag chicken nuggets. Yung mainit na chicken nuggets tsaka chips. Kasi mamaya
I
pa
have
yung...
my money.
Oh no! You forgot your money again?
Yeah.
Do I have money? You think so? Okay. That's good. I'll just use my money then. Is that okay with you? I got this one, okay? Hi there. Can I go a 3-piece chicken nugget Happy Meal?
Yeah, with that here.
Coke for that one.
Anything else?
And then a cheeseburger Happy Meal as well.
Yeah, look good.
With apple juice.
Yeah, anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Okay, so then.
Thanks.
I see. Give me my Mommy,
Yes.
they're taking so long.
Taking so long, but that's okay. Yeah, sorry. Can I add tomato sauce and sweet and sour sauce? Thank you. Thank you.
I see, Mommy.
Thanks, you too.
I have money, Mommy.
Hmm? Yeah, I have money.
What?
I know. Is that surprising?
Yeah. Money not even.
I did not leave it. Yeah, no. Is that good?
You did have money.
I did.
I told you.
I
Just
know.
put out.
Ah, you won again. My goodness. You're so good at this game.
Two Happy Meals?
Yes. Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you.
I have a box.
Hmm?
I have a box.
Box, yeah.
Here, that's your Happy Meal.
A box. Is
Thanks.
that my box?
That's your box. Thanks, you too.
Do you want a box for me?
That's your box. Just wait, okay?
A treaty pie.
Mm-hmm.
You know my treaty pie box? Please, Mommy.
Yep.
Give me it. Treaty box.
Alright, so we need to drive.
Want to give me my yellow mug? Give me a food?
Mm-hmm.
Please.
Chips?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. So yung pupuntahan namin, it's a warehouse sale ng mga gamit sa bahay. Tapos meron ding mga damit. today is their last day. Nakita ko siya sa TikTok. I'm not sure guys kung ano mahanap natin doon, kung may mahanap man tayo. But I just wanted to check it out because I haven't been to a warehouse sale. We're 1 minute away, so we're not far. Medyo malayo-layo din siya. Hindi naman sobrang layo, but it's around 20 minutes from Arlo Sports. Tapos papunta ng bahay, mga 30 minutes siguro papunta ng bahay namin or more. So papunta din isang oras balikan. Ay, we're almost there. Okay. I need to turn here. Oh, we're here. Very cool. So hindi siya shop, it's just a warehouse. Ah, here it is. So where can I park? Saan ako pwede mag-park? There you go, I can see it. Can I park inside? I think I can. Oh my gosh. So again, it's a warehouse, so it's not a permanent shop. And today is their last day. And in this sleeping, I've got some snacks for you in the bag, so you can eat your snack while you are in the pram. Okay?
Give me a snack.
Yeah, I can. Bi, matulog ka lang, Biha. Patingin lang ako saglit. So, looks like that. $5 na lang. Found one already. Hintip lang, diba? $5. Hello. Parang gusto ko din to. Ano ba yan? Ang dami ko ng bowl. Anong paggagawin natin sa mga bowl na to? Ibalik ko siguro yung isa. May mga throw pillow sila. I mean, throw blanket. Alright, let's go home. Alright, so tapos na kami dun guys. Wala masyado ng laman. Kasi, ano na, today yung ano nila eh. Yes. Today yung last day nila. Wala na masyado. I did get something though. Dalawang, ano lang. 2 items lang. Tinignan ko yung mga throw pillows nila, throw blankets. It's really not quite what I was looking for. Nah, I wasn't really looking for anything, guys. I was just browsing. But no, it was fun. It was not bad actually. Not a bad experience at all. It was good. Tapos wala lang matinong presyo yung iba kasi siguro nag-iba na yung pricing nila from the previous days kasi nga last day nila. So yung iba may price like yung mga bowls dun sa table, sabi $5 lahat ng dun sa table na yun. Pero yung iba walang presyong matino. Eh ayoko pa naman nagtatanong-tanong guys. Wa. Is that you? Hey. Say hi. High five. High five. High five. Let's get the balls. You ready to get the balls? Yeah. Chatting. Chatting. We got balls. Alright, so ito lang yung nabili ko dun guys. This one, walang original presyo na nakalagay. But it's from Holiday Home. So it was the Holiday Home warehouse sale or sample sale. This one looks like this. It looks nice, no? Ang ganda ng kulay. Papalitan ko yung fruit bowl namin dyan. Maganda siya pang display. Kasi ang ganda ng kulay niya. This was $20. This one is only $5. And ang maganda dito is, hindi siya babasagin. Para siyang Parang cardboard. I'm not the biggest fan of the print, pero inisip ko, pwede ko siyang pinturahan. O, di ba? Pipintura mo talaga si Mami. May plano pa talaga magpintura si Mami. Grabe talaga si Mami kung ano lang talaga pinag-iisip gagawin. Pero maganda siya kasi hindi siya babasagin. What is it made of? Para siyang ano nga, I don't know, parang hard cardboard. Pero this one, I'll show you guys. I can put this one here. I don't know what am I gonna put inside the bowl, but I can put it on our buffet cabinet. Tas okay lang kasi nga, it's kid-friendly. Di siya babasagin. Diba? Maganda? Yeah? Do you get it? Do you get my vision? You get it? You get it, right? A mirror. Should we go for a black mirror or a wooden mirror? Yeah, ang dami kasing kailangan isipin sa mirror. Yeah, kasi feeling ko ako yung maglalagay ng mirror. So, kailangan ko ng mga tools. I need tools for it. Anyway, it's not urgent. It's not urgent. Let's go to Daddy. Daddy's here. Let's go upstairs. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Heater is on. That actually looks nice for $5. That's not bad. Ano nga lang ilalagay natin dyan? Wala lang, pang-display lang talaga siya. Or, it can go there as well sa ating cabinet dito. It's not bad as well. It's there. Nilagay ko din siya dun, oh. Kailangan lang ng lamp, kaya lang posible yung lamp sa aking mga anak. Lamp katabi niyan, and it's like a nice, diba, decoration. Anyway, justify ko lang yung $5 ko. You ready? You ready? Where's that? Where's that? Where is Daddy? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Play. Oh, you're heavy. Let's play here. Ay, ang bigat mo, B. Buyag-buyag man din akong baby. Malusog na mabigat. Buyag-buyag man din mabigat kong baby. Uy! Good job, baby. Hey, you love food, don't you, Bubbers? You love your food. Yeah? Dasok tong baby ko eh. Oh my gosh, my arms. My arms and my whole body and mind is sore. Let's lay down. A peekaboobers. Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror. Hello. Where's Indy? Indy, hello. Hello. Went so low, I didn't know that you were capable of that. Yeah, we will.
I don't pay now.
We're back in the car, guys. But nasa passenger seat na ako. We are outside Ate Ayla's school. Oy! We will pick up Ayla. Tapos diretso kami sa Play Cafe. Merong bagong open na Play Cafe. Tapos ayaw naming pumunta ng weekend kasi alam namin it's gonna be really busy kasi bago nga siya and it actually looks good. So sabi ni Dan, punta tayo ng weekday. So ngayon kami pupunta after ng school ni Ayla. So nagdala lang ako ng clothes ni Ayla. Palitan lang natin siya. And then diretso na tayo dun. It's called Tada Cafe. It keeps showing up sa TikTok ko and it looks really good. Plus, again, it's new. So, malilinis pa yung mga play equipment nila. Hindi pa siya ganun kadungis. But yeah, it's 2:41. Dito kami sa loob talaga, sa labas talaga ng classroom ni ate. Kasi ang aga natin. Dito na kami. Nakatangal na naman yung isa. Pag inuun talagang camera, oh, see babe, it's busy. You like it, Alo? Dito na kami sa taas, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo nasaan si Daddy. Yes! Ay! This is a different area here. Doon sa kabila makikita natin si Daddy. Meron silang makeup area. Tapos dressing area. Look. Tapos nandun si Daddy sa baba. Nandun. Pag akyat ni Arlo dito, nakita niya yung mga princess, baba siya. Sabi ko, mayroon ditong Lego. Diretso siya dito. Sabi niya, anong gagawin ko dyan sa mga dress and makeup? So yeah, dito sa taas pwede din lalaki kasi may Lego eh. Hindi lang yung princess area. Very connected lang siya. Ang cute. Ang cute. Kaya lang, ang gulo-gulo lang. Non-stop cleaning. Ha? Iba na naman yung suot niyang dress. Tapos tingnan niyo, naka-heels. Oh, pack. Oh, pack. What?
What is this?
Oh, it's just the stuffing. You don't take it out. You just wear it. It's a bag. See? The strap. Umalis na si Arlo, guys. Ayaw na niya dito. They've got stuffed animals there, Baba. Look at this, Daddy. Go, Alo. I know. Go, Alo. Good job, Alo. You see that? Good job, Ate. And Indy. I know. You can do it.
I'll catch you, go. Okay, jump, look,
You don't need help. Good job. And then jump.
jump off, don't let them in.
Good job, India. Okay. Well done, Alo. Ah, yeah. It's like Ninja Warrior. Good job, Ayla. Ninja. You're a ninja. Ninja. And look, guys. Ayan, no? Meron dito. Grocery. Ang cute. Indy, go in here, India. Indy, guys, you should go grocery shopping. Can I tell you what to buy? Alright, ready? I need some rice, eggs, chicken. Yeah, look for a sack of rice. Is it this? That's rice. Yeah, I want chicken. Alo's got chicken. Talong? Can you get talong for me? Eggplant. No. Down there. Eggplant. Alo, can you get me hot dog, please? Or sausage?
Mommy, this is hot dog.
Yeah. Oh, you got hot dog. Thank you. That is eggplant. Yes. Look at Daddy. They're shopping.
I got coffee, Mama. Is it this one?
Is that? Oh, it is coffee.
Is this
That is peach.
Mama,
chips.
Alo, can you cook the eggs for me, please? Sus, naawa ako sa staff dito. The cleaning up. My goodness. Tingnan nyo, ang kalat-kalat na. A sandwich, please. A toast.
Mommy, this is a toast.
Ah, croissant. Thank you. Yeah, that's a toast. Snack. Thank you. Loli. Oh, Oreos. Is that your favorite? No? Oh, is that an egg, Ayla?
I'm getting 2 eggs. I mean 3 eggs.
Yeah. Punta tayo TK Maxx. Tapos na kami dun, guys. Ang saya ng mga bata. This one. Uy! Get some sleep. Alright, go in there, guys. Is it comfy?
Beautiful. Apart. Alright,
Is it nice?
That's right.
Yeah. May malaking mirror, guys. And okay lang siya. Oh, 129. How big do you think that is, my love?
What's that?
This, the gold one. The front.
What meter wise or
Yeah. CM. 100?
100 to 110?
Yeah. That's good. That's good size, actually. And, but this one, I like this color. But I think this is gonna be way too big. Mas maganda yung color ng nasa likod. Hala, paano ko ba yan matitest? I wanna see if it's heavy.
This, it's got 40 here. That's probably mean 40 inches.
Yeah.
So it's about.
Does it say how heavy it is? I like that one. Ang daming magagandang blankets. TK Maxx kami, guys. Mga fluffy pa pati. Nice blankets, Ayla. Oh, I like this one. Hala, this is nice. Nice color. Wait, actually, gusto ko yung pattern na yan. Pero, wala pa kaming furniture na magmamatch dyan. Wait. Do you have money for it?
Somebody,
Did you bring your money?
no.
Oh no, who's gonna pay for it?
You boy. Mommy.
Me? I don't
I
have
have no
money.
No, you don't. We do.
Yes, you are.
That's your own mama.
Who's got money?
You're not. Mommy, do we really have money?
We're out of money.
Did you have money?
Guys,
We're
we
gonna
paid
sell one of your kids.
we paid the Play Cafe.
We've
Plus,
got enough for dinner, and that's it.
yeah. Do you want T-Rex or dinner?
Oh, Daddy,
This
you've
one.
got some money in your wallet. I feel like you.
How much is it, Dada? How much is it, Alo?
Bucks. Kids
Huh?
are like 40.
40?
These are cute, aren't they?
It's just
Yeah.
one, Mama.
Hot Wheels ones.
I love it, Mommy. My
You love it?
Feel my
Oh, go ask
feet.
Daddy. Ask
Feel my
nicely.
feet.
Say please.
Feel my feet.
Look at your face, you're grotty.
Feel it.
Here, let me.
Ah, it's too big, baby. I can tell. I can see. Look for a smaller size.
Let's see the other toys out. Come on, let's see the other toys out.
Look for the other size. Ah, you know what, Ayla? These look really comfy bubbers. For when you go out and about during winter, that looks really nice. This one too for Dada. Daddy, where's Daddy? This one's nice for Daddy. $70 lang. Ang daming cute na mga shoes.
10.
Yeah. Aren't you a size 10? Oh, you're 11 or maybe 12 now. Pilihan natin si Daddy. Tingnan natin reaction niya.
Bumblebee. I have
Daddy.
a bumblebee, Mama. I have a bumblebee, Mama. I have a bumblebee.
Bumblebee, okay. We'll look for the bumblebee later. Ah, may bumblebee. Eh.
Mommy, Mama. Bumblebee. I bring a bumblebee. Mommy.
Just wait. I'm looking for Daddy's clothes.
Bumblebee.
Minsan lang to nagsha-shopping.
Bumblebee.
Oh,
Mama, have a
I think
bumblebee.
this one's nice.
Mommy.
Daddy,
Mommy, do I got a bump in my
I'm
eye?
serious as well.
Yeah.
Mommy, do
Yeah.
I still got a skin bite in my eye?
That's
Hello,
nice,
Tina?
Daddy. Yeah, I think 7.
This small.
Yeah, a bit tight. Have you seen this one?
I have a toy, Mommy.
Yeah.
No. We got one. That's size 12, Dada. Kami na talaga naghihintay sa barber. Papagupitan kasi Arlo. Ang aga pa kasi, guys. Ayaw pa namin mag-dinner. Ang aga pa. Ang aga namin natapos dun sa Tada. Tapos nag-ano na kami, TK Maxx. Nakabili na nga kami ng school shoes ni Ayla. Tapos maaga pa din. Wala pang 6. So, let's get Arlo's haircut. Dito ako sa labas kasi pinapatulog ko tong isa. Gusto ni Dan na i-shave ko ulit yung buhok niya. Sabi ko, i-try ko muna yung ibang hairstyle para naman matry niya. Gusto ko din, pahabain. Gusto ko makita ulit yung kanyang kulot.
Mommy, it looks
Yeah.
like he's ready to have his haircut.
Ready?
Stay still. And smile. Good boy.
Well done, Alo.
Looking good, buddy. Does it feel good? Tickle? No, look at he's got to stay still. He's got to stay still.
Good job, Alo.
Alright. Look up. Look up. Yeah. Good boy.
Ay, ang galing. Good job, mate. He's staying still. How good is that? That's very quick.
There's a little scratchy on it.
You're looking good already, Alo. Huh? Yeah.
We'll just go try.
Grabe si Arlo. Ang bait. As in, very still lang siya. Well done, Alo. Nice. Yeah, I think so. Dito pala kami guys sa Kenny's na napaka-busy. Nag-order na kami. We are 677. Tingnan si Arlo, ang gwapo. Sa labas lang to ng ano, TK Maxx. Or sa labas ng shopping center kanina ba? Arlo, stay still. Let me see your hair.
Mommy, what number are we?
We are 677. So if you hear 677, let me know. Gusto ko din umorder ng kanilang hot cinnamon donuts pero mamaya na. After namin kumain. Look at the chicken, guys. Skittles! Skittles! Tuwang-tuwa siya. Kanina pa ako. Skittles! Why do you like it? Skittles! 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 Banana. Oh, you like every word. Banana. Skittles. Skittles. Oh, bubbers.